Workshop Wednesday. Look here. Dre, you ready to go? Ready? Kind of look at that tail, guys. He's all fired. See, I told you, he's fired up. I'm doing a little late. It's my show, Draggy. It's my Workshop Wednesday. We're doing a little late. Drago, it's 5:30. Drago is ready to get the hell out of here. And me too, to be honest with you, but we got to stay working. I got all kinds of deal going here. I'm working on my TCA 2025 bit, and we got all kinds of deal going. I did my Patreon today on putting these little silver beads on there. That's pretty cool. It's fun. It's gonna have a little texture. I can't wait to get it all colored up and see what the heck is gonna happen. But anyhow, I think it's cool. Maybe I should let y'all make that a judgment. Y'all be the ones looking at it. But anyhow, that is ready to get a mouthpiece put in it and a bead put on it. And we got to make chains. I hate chains. I mentioned that. Silly chains. Got my drawing over here on my computer. So let's show y'all a little bit of what's going on. Got it drawn up here. That was drawn on Photoshop. So on my Wacom tablet, I can draw all this business. And y'all might notice that I got that old TCA logo deal on there. Well, I can flip-flop here on the computer. It gives me a cool way to not have to do the mirror image, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm drawing, and I'm just, this is a pretty simple drawing here. So I didn't do any transfer or anything. You can see that you can see my pencil mark there in the glare, right there, drawing all that on there. I was in the middle of doing that when Eli said, Workshop Wednesday, look at these two. Look at them. Oh well. Got another deal I'll show you over here. I got this buckle all did up today. And, oh, dang near dropped it. Sarah coated up, so this is sneak peek preview of what all went on. That was fun, getting to do all that relief. I really enjoyed that, and got all the twisting in the inlays and the hawk strap twist, I call it. But on the bevels, that was a cool deal, fun deal. Thank you, Caleb, for giving me the opportunity to play and giving me a canvas and a budget to have some fun. So got a hook, that's a little different on a center bar buckle, but that's what Caleb wanted, and I bet it hangs good. Hadn't put it on any leather yet to see. But that's cool. Got that did up today, and then here's a pair of spurs that for the outgoing president of the Calgary Stampede, and got a little antique finish going on. So I browned them, and then with steel wool, take it all off, and so it gives it a look like you've been wearing them. They got a little good tarnish. Look at that big old number, 1,477,953. That's how many people went to the Calgary Stampede last year, I believe. So that's a pretty cool deal. It broke a record. That's a lot of people in 10 days. But yeah, so that's cool getting to build those spurs and do all that business. What else? Patreon was good. I mentioned Patreon. Podcast, me and Schwartzy rocking and rolling on a podcast. We're certainly unprofessional podcasters, but it's all good. Enjoying it, and I'm learning. I got to improve, and I will. I don't know that I want to grow up and be a podcaster, but I do enjoy the experience and the conversations that we have. So I hope y'all gain some value out of it. What else? Well, good, Elijah.
Good, man.
Elijah, he's ready to go. He says, "Shut up, so I can post this and get the hell out of here." Y'all be good. See you next week. Adios.